Hey YouTube, all my TBI buddies, throttle body injection buddies, having problems with y'all's vehicle. Y'all got fuel, y'all got spark. It idles and it surges and it haunts and then it shuts off. Y'all don't have, of course, we don't have a fuel port to do pressure tests on it and everything. So you're thinking your fuel pressure's fine. You replace TPS, you replace idle air control, you replace the MAF, you cleaned out your injectors, you're putting new injectors, y'all having problems, y'all about to do a TBI to carburetor conversion or vice versa or something else, or go direct port injected with a stealth round intake. But if y'all don't want to do that and y'all want to figure out what's the problem and y'all replace all the sensors and haven't gotten it to run right, check your out's fuel pump. This is my old fuel pump. There's a hose that goes right here. About an inch and a half hose. Alright. That's that hose. Hooks up to the line on the sending unit that sends the fuel straight to the TBI, through the fuel filter to the TBI. Well, if you're not looking at it carefully, and because you can only look at it one way when you take it out. Everything. If you're on a truck and doing it and everything, under the car doing it, but if you're able to lower the fuel tank all the way down or take the bed off, or if you got a truck, take the bed off or something and everything, but if you can't do anything, take it all off. Take this hose, take it off the sending unit, turn it. You see something that I see? Yep, that right there. Alright, I'm gonna take it off. That, buddy, is what's causing your problem. You get fuel's coming out of your injectors, it's getting air, you're getting spark, runs, then it cuts off. That's your problem. If I put a new fuel pressure regulator, or it's just old, that's what happens. I don't know if the ones that come out of the y'all's is all rubber. It's probably not pressure hose either. But once you go get you can probably just buy a hose. It's an inch and a half length hose. I don't know about the dimensions of the size of the fuel. You can probably just take it up there and they can probably measure it for you and cut you a hose, a pressure hose. Get a pressure hose. It's better if you get a pressure hose. But I got a new fuel pump. Came with the new hose. I'll put it on. It also came with some crappy clamps. Clamps. I didn't like it. Alright, I'm about to show y'all it. But came with these right here. Me personally, I think they're crap. Completely crap. Because when I tried to put it on, it did 2 clicks and it came right out. It forced itself out with the new hose on the new fuel pump and on the fuel line that it goes on. It just came right out. You can force them together by finger and everything, but when you go to put on a new hose and do it, no good. Throw those away. So when you get a new fuel pump or you go get yourself a hose, get some new hose clamps. These are 5/16 by 5/8, so more of a 7.94 millimeter to 16 millimeter hose clamps and everything. I guess that's the size of the hose. Get those. If you can get better ones than these, go ahead and get them, because these are not going to be worth it. They come with the fuel pump. Don't just throw them in the trash once you get it. But yeah, that's the main problem I was having with mine. Was that just doesn't happen when you're taking your fuel pump out. That's completely through. So check that out, guys. Quit replacing sensors, and if you start having this problem and you haven't replacing the sensors, check that out. All right, guys. Comment right if y'all won. Let me know what y'all found. All right, later.